Hello, grade 9 tech class. Welcome to Pandemic Teaching Day 10,352 or something like that. I note that it's been a long time because my hair's getting crazy, but it just reminds me that I do have some hair left, which is a good thing. Now you might remember way back before the pandemic hit and we could actually all be in a room together, I had you submit some sort of instruction sets that would get me, the robot, to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich for you. And my plan was to do this in front of the class because it's kind of funny and we get to eat, peanut butter and jam. Although if I were doing this in class, I would use wild butter and I would have fresh jam. And so I get to do it at home and I have to eat all the peanut butter and jam, which also leads to the COVID-19 that I've put on since we left school. So I'm not here to embarrass anybody. I'm not going to call out any names or anything. If you recognize your submission and you know somebody else worked on it with you, this is not to shame you. It's just to demonstrate that programming computers is hard. So for this exercise, I'm going to be like a computer. I am a dumb bucket of bolts robot, and all I can do is follow your instructions. And I'm going to follow your instructions, and hopefully we'll get some sandwiches. So, first one. Step one. Get the PB and the jam. All right, PB, I like smooth. The jam, I like raspberry. This is made at E.D. Smith, which is right here in Hamilton. Okay, so I've got them. It says, get 2 things of bread. Okay, I got a thing of bread. I didn't know I'd need it, but I got 2. All right, and then it says, take a knife and spread the PB on one of the things of bread. Kind of heavy, but you can do it. All right. Take a different knife. I got 2. And spread the jam on the other thing of bread. This is easier. Jam's lighter. Okay. And then it says, put the 2 things of bread together, and you have your meal. Nah, it didn't work as well as I'd expected. But the good news is, everything is fine and we can reset and we can try out the next set of instructions. So next set of instructions. Step 1, get closer to the peanut butter. I really want to know how you feel. I really want to understand you better. I'm not getting a lot of feedback, but I think that I'm a little closer to the peanut butter. Okay, grab the peanut butter jar. I've got it. I'll open the jar. That's good. And then grab a butter knife. Got the. Okay, apply the peanut butter onto the bread using a knife. Place down peanut butter jar. Okay, grab jam jar. Open jar. Apply jam to bread using knife. Okay, there we go. Place bread together. Profit. Please send your dollars to me. Okay, that work? I don't know. I got. God, you've got peanut butter in my jam. Let's try another one. Oh, this one's got some further instructions. It says, take 2 pieces of bread slices from the bread bag. Beautiful. Okay, take a knife and spread the peanut butter on 1 slice. Well, that makes it nice and flat. Next, put some jelly on the other slice with a knife. Okay? Put the sides with peanut butter and jelly on each other. Okay, so there's peanut butter on this slice and the jam's on this slice, and I will put them on each other. I don't know quite what on each other means. Maybe it means I have to switch. No, that didn't work so well. Well, at least I have something to eat. I don't know. I have had a few peanut butter sandwiches in my life, and that's not one. I don't know what it is, and it's not bad, but it's not a peanut butter sandwich. Okay, let's try again. Running low in the stack. Okay, get 2 pieces of bread and slather both in butter. I don't have any butter. Gone. All right, last one. Last one. Don't let me down. I want a sandwich. Open the peanut butter and jam. That's wise. Didn't tell me how, but I'm gonna presume that the robot is smart enough to know how. Pick up the butter knife. Insert the knife into the peanut butter container. Scoop 1/5 of a cup of peanut butter onto your knife. I don't have a measurement. I'm going to use my eyes. Look like 1/5 of a cup. I'm going to say that's 1/5 of a cup. Okay, take the knife out of the container. I worked ahead. Look at me being a smart robot. Spread peanut butter evenly onto 1 slice of bread. Okay. Wash knife with dish soap and hot water. Now that's not happening. We'll just get our other knife. Dry knife with a clean dish towel. This is very comprehensive. Also, that's a different union. I don't do that. Insert knife into the jar of jam. Scoop 1/5 of a cup of jam onto the knife. I don't think it'll hold 1/5 of a cup. I'll put as much as I can. How's that? As much as I can. Oh, look at that. Spread jam evenly onto second slice of bread. Okay, put it on the first slice. I'll put it on the second slice. This is an argument I always have at home. I always like to put the jam on top of the peanut butter, and everybody in my house tells me that I should put the jam on the other slice of bread. They are wrong. All right. Place bread with jam on top of bread with peanut butter, slowly and delicately. Place sandwich onto a plate. Clean all dirty utensils with soap and hot water, then place in drying rack. My mother would approve. Close the jars and containers and put them away. I don't know who wrote this. Well, I do. Your mama raised you right. All right. Bring the sandwich to the owner. I guess that's me. I mean, you guys made this and you would get to eat it. There's a small difficulty with it, and I know that you could correct that very easily by turning it over, and then I'm enjoying a peanut butter and jam sandwich. Okay, so what have we learned from this? Mr. Wilson likes peanut butter, and it's hard to program a robot. Okay, have a great day, guys. I'll see you later.